I didn't expect much when I picked up these safety goggles. I've used others before. Most were uncomfortable, fogged up, or just didn't stay on right. But from the moment I put these on, I knew they were built differently. The fit is surprisingly comfortable. They're easy to adjust, and the soft rubber lining around the inside creates this smooth, conforming seal. It's not just for comfort, it actually blocks out dust and debris from all angles, even the sides and bottom. That seal gives you full protection without feeling like you're wearing a scuba mask. The lenses? Crystal clear. No fog, no weird distortion. I could see everything like I wasn't even wearing goggles. Even in the heat, they held up better than most. I was sweating a lot during one job and had to take them off for a bit, but even then they didn't fog when I put them back on. One thing to keep in mind though, if you wear them too tight or for too long, you will get that imprint around your eyes when you take them off. It fades, but it's definitely noticeable. Still, you don't need to strap them on super tight anyway. The design grips well on its own. They stayed in place the whole time, no slipping even when I was moving around a lot, and that full wraparound design, it made me feel like my eyes were actually sealed off from the environment. I didn't have to think twice about safety. They don't have any crazy features. They're not trying to reinvent the wheel, but they're reliable, clear, and they just work. And sometimes that's exactly what you need. If you're looking for goggles that do their job without getting in your way, grab a pair. You won't regret it. Leave your thoughts in the comments down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more content just like this.